All right, let's dive right in. Today, we are talking about one of the biggest, fastest transformations of our time, how artificial intelligence is completely rewriting the rules of work. This isn't some far off future stuff, it's happening right now. And believe me, it affects every single one of us. So let's just cut to the chase, right? The one question that's on everybody's mind is my job safe? It feels like it should have a simple yes or no answer, but it is so much more complicated than that. And to even start to unpack it, we first have to get our heads around why this tech revolution is just different. We've been here before. We've had massive technological shifts, from the printing press to the internet. But this one, the AI revolution, it's playing a whole different ballgame. And this slide, this really gets to the heart of it. See, in the past, technology was all about automating tasks that were predictable. Think assembly lines or calculators doing math, stuff that followed a clear set of rules. But today's AI, it's generative, meaning it can literally create brand new ideas. It's probabilistic, meaning it can make incredibly smart guesses and predictions. It's always learning. It's not just doing our routine work anymore, it's becoming a partner in our thinking work. And that leads us to this really crucial idea: cognitive augmentation. The best way to think about it is this: stop seeing AI as something that's coming to replace you and start seeing it as a new kind of coworker. Seriously, we're already seeing this happen. Coders are using AI copilots to write software like never before. Doctors are using AI to get a second opinion on tricky diagnoses. The future isn't human versus AI, it's human plus AI. It's all about the team up. Okay, so if AI is our new collaborator, what does that actually mean for our day-to-day jobs? Well, that brings us to what many are calling the Great Job Reshuffle. It's going to be a time of huge change for sure, with some serious challenges, but also some pretty incredible new opportunities. So, which jobs are feeling the heat the most? Well, it's mostly the roles that are built on predictable, data-heavy tasks. Things like data entry, basic bookkeeping, or following a script. But, and this is a huge but, vulnerable doesn't automatically mean eliminated. For most of these roles, it's really about being redefined. The AI will handle the repetitive parts, which frees up the human to focus on the more complex, strategic parts of the job. And then you've got the other side of the coin. For every role that's changing, new ones are just exploding in demand. Of course, you've got the super technical jobs like AI engineers, but look closer at this list. There's a fascinating paradox here. The smarter the machines get, the more valuable our uniquely human skills become. Roles in care, in education, in ethical leadership, they're becoming more critical than ever. All right, so how do you actually navigate all this change? How do you come out on top? Well, it means you need a totally new career playbook.